Marvel has taken you out to the edge of the universe, down to the scale of an atom, and across the boundaries of time. Now, prepare to visit a new setting beyond the farthest reaches of a nerd's imagination. Outside. I'm scared. Can we go back to a green screen, please? Ah, that's better. Eternals. Witness the MCU's grandest experiment yet about mythic creatures who steer the course of human history. From the director of that quasi-documentary about a van lady who poops in a bucket. As Chloe Zhao brings Jack Kirby's most psychedelic art to the screen in soothing grays and beiges, in this long meditation on whether our hero should let humanity die or spit in the face of an uncaring god. Hey, are we sure this isn't a DC movie?
That's Superman! Dad, that's Superman!
Remember when comic book films were about characters you've heard of? Neither do I. Now, after a TLDR opening crawl, meet the Eternals. 10 heroes as hot as they are sad. Thrill at the revelation that they're actually robots designed by an alien god to fight creatures who look like your unsorted cable drawer, who themselves were designed to eat the dinosaurs until things got out of hand. You know what? Just forget it. It's dumb. Just meet the Eternals.
Hi.
There's Thena, a warrior who freaks out when she remembers she's Angelina Jolie and shouldn't be sharing screen time with these nobodies. Gilgamesh, who's never met a problem he couldn't fist. Fastos, who does all his science by way of Naruto hand signs. Druig, he sucks.
Druig sucks.
Ajak, keeper of the sacred iPhone Gold Orb Edition that lets her call Daddy.
Ajak.
Makari, who should have been called Fastos, because holy crap, how are we supposed to keep all these characters straight? Sprite, a pixie with the power of being small and having a knife.
I'm sorry, Cersei.
Kingo, a Bollywood star who makes you wonder if all the time Kumail spent getting jacked should have gone to dance lessons instead. Icarus, who's like Superman if he had to be convinced that human life had any value. So like, you know, Zack Snyder Superman. And Cersei, whose warm, dignified performance is impossible to focus on because someone thought it wouldn't be distracting to pair a Cersei with two of the leads from Game of Thrones.
You are very beautiful, Cersei.
I love you, Cersei.
No, you love Daenerys. Or maybe Marjorie Tyrell. I'm still hashing out my erotic fanfic.
I don't want it. I never have.
Oh, yes, you do. Now kiss. Strap in for a movie that's all about tracking down characters you just met a few minutes ago.
We need to find the others. We need to go find the others.
We have to bring everyone back together.
And since no one thought to set up a group text, take a whirlwind tour of all their solo projects, whether they're just chilling on a Marvel-issued retirement farm, WandaVisioning before it was cool,
Druig sucks.
He does, sir.
nuking Japan,
I did this.
or they just got left back on the spaceship like a baby in a hot car. But once these neutral Avengers have reassembled, they'll discover their secret mission to literally f the world as they learn their true purpose was to fertilize Earth with enough man matter to hatch a Celestial. Sorry for phrasing it that way. I'm just unsatisfied after Marvel's first sex scene, i.e. 3 dimly lit pumps in the missionary position. Can you believe that's all we get? Look what Kingo did for this film. And you don't even pop his shirt off? You gotta reward that effort. Eternals 2, The Search for Kingo's Dingo. Let's make it happen. So if your idea of fun is watching 10 people debate the trolley problem for 2.5 hours, where the closest thing to a relatable character is an immortal movie star's human pet,
He's worked with me for 50 years.
fly, don't walk to your nearest couch for the film that puts the universe in MCU, that despite the reviews is far from the worst in the franchise.
Are you well, Eric?
I can't get too excited. Not even a little excited.
Tony, how do you go to the bathroom in the suit? Just like that.
They just tried to do something a little different this time. But don't worry, Marvel will never make that mistake again. Phew! Starring Cersei Roman, Stark Kent. This wasn't in the script. Angelina Jolie genuinely doesn't know how a toaster works. Salma Hayek,
The fling in the north!
The Big Dick, Silicon Valet, Sprite Ginger Zero Sugar, Shaper Boy, Dev Schlepper, Druid Sucks, Bury Me With My Golden Arm, Clifford the Big Red God, Gotta Catch 'Em All, Ropimon. Alright, you're in this movie too. Patent Pending, and Harry Styles. Eternal runtime of the plotless grind. Why is Sprite going to school? She's thousands of years old, not trying to meet kids her own age. What's she gonna learn in 7th grade? Okay, maybe Spanish.
Somos amigos de la universidad.
Sorry about your hot dogs. My name is Oliver Queen, and you have failed this comment section. I'm old, and I don't like this. Mirabelle didn't get a gift. She is the gift. Charcuterie is just Lunchables trying to be fancy.